another important program that I'm going to show you to count the occurrence of a number in a list. That means one list will be created. On the list, how many particular number comes, how many times, that will going to be counted. Okay, so this is what the occurrence of the number that will be counted as per the questions. So to count the occurrence of a particular number, you will going to see it what has been done here. First, I have taken one list. You can take the list from the user also. This is a predefined list, but you can take the list from the user also. So list one. That means that time you can pass one function, as previously we have done it, passing the functions also. So this is what list one, list where what has been given 10, 20, 30, 40, the different randomly a number has been given. Then in a num, what happened? Input, enter the number. That means which number to be searched. Okay, so count equals to 0, or counter has been set, count equals to 0. So I for list 1, I for which? List 1. Okay, so if num equals to I, if this thing is tallied, that means if num and what you num value and I value is telling, that counter will going to increase. Okay, then counter will go increase, and after that what? That this many times, that means one by one. So what will happen? It will come inside the for loop, do the if loop, count increase, if it find it counter increase, it will again go to the for loop. Okay, so after it complete the total list, that means from here to here, after it complete this total range, then only it will going to print out this thing. Okay, one by one it is not printing. Remember it, the printing is not that counter increase, it will print one, again the counter increase, it will print one. No, it is not like that. Then how it is going to do? It will start, because I have given one for loop. For loop will start from here, start from the first position, and it will go to the end position. Okay, so as it will go to the end position, one by one it will going to check the values. As it the checking will be complete, then only it will going to finally print out what the output is. So this is what your program is going to be. That means here you can find it, that when you are taking occurrence of a number from a list, so from a list, that particular number, how many time it came. Okay, suppose I give here 10. So 10 came how many times? So 10 came here for 2 times. Again, if I run a program, now suppose 20. 20 comes for how many times? 20 comes for 3 times. Again, if I run this program, suppose now I give here 60. 60 comes for how many times? 60 comes for 1 time, isn't it? So this way it will going to check the values, that how many time the occurrence is. That means one it is doing, it will print, it will doing, it will print, not like that. What it will going to do, it will first going to search the values that you have given for searching. Okay, so when it will start search the value that you have given for searching, that means that the value will going to be tallied, and as the values will going to be tallied, you will going to find it the counter is increasing. So after that it will again go inside the for loop. It will not break it and it will come here, it will break the if, it will go inside the for, again go inside the for, then again it will come, again it will go inside the for, it will again come here, again it will go inside the for, it will come here. That means still to all the values that are exist in a particular list that you have given, or I have given here in my program. Okay, so this is what a very simple program included, where logic is that a list has been given. This is a predefined list, this is not a user defined. Remember it, this list is not an user defined, this is a predefined list. That means already the thing has been set, predefined. Only user define what you are asking from the user, that which number you need to search. Okay, you can show the number list also to the user, and else user can give by its own choice any number. If the number exists, it will show. If the number doesn't exist, it will show the number exists for us 0 times, isn't it? So this way what you can find it, the particular program will going to execute, and program will going to have its own particular declarations. Okay, this is the declaration that has been made. That means for I in list 1, if num equals to I, then the counter will increase. Again it will go to the for loop, again it will check it. If not interested,